Good morning. Welcome to my channel. My name is Joanne, and this is To Crochet Curious. I hope that you are a returning subscriber, and if you are, welcome. But if you are not a subscriber yet, I hope you like this video and will consider subscribing so that you don't miss anything I've got coming up. I have an unboxing today, or unbagging, because it's Hobbii. So let's take a look at some Hobbii yarns. And I think you're going to like these. They're pretty awesome. So, I was looking for some project yarn, and I have really got some good stuff here. Now, who doesn't love cookies, right? My mom always says, you know, an open bag is an empty bag when it comes to cookies, especially when you're raising kids. That's kind of how that works. You open something up, and then next thing you know, they're gone. So here is Hobbii Cookie. Oh, actually, it's not a Hobbii yarn. It's a Jarbo yarn, or maybe Harbo, depending on what part of the country that's from. And it's a pure acrylic yarn. There are 600 meters, 200 grams. Look at that. That is luscious, and it is very soft. This is, I'm thinking that it is a worsted 4. Let's see if it says. Made in India. Yarbo. Ooh. I don't know why I insist on trying to read things that are too tiny for my eyes. This is a product of, it's from Sweden, actually, the company, Yarbo. So it's got to be Yarbo. Nordic crafts since 1896. And Yarbo. Inspiration and patterns. www.yarbo.se, because it's from Sweden. This is color 46210, which is, I just think this is a luscious colorway. It's got lots of gorgeous blues and purples in it. And might shift a little to gray, but mostly I think it's just dark blue. Anyway, it's quite beautiful. And 600 meters, I got 4 of these. That is going to make something very cool. I've got a couple of Ruanas type things I want to make, so I think this could very well become something just like that. So I wasn't, these were on sale, and I'm not sure if I remember what I paid for these, or if I could go find it. But let's see what it says here. It just says how many I got. It has the names of the colorways on the paperwork. So that one has to be Skyfall. Yes, Skyfall. Now, here's the other cookie I got. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now this one is called Limelight, and it's the same 600 meters. I got 4 of these as well. So I think that is going to be another beautiful wearable of some kind. So 4 of those. Or, you know, maybe my 500 subscriber giveaway will have some cookies in it. All right. The next thing is made in Turkey, distributed by Hobbii. This is Wheel of Alpaca. I thought, oh, that's interesting. I'd like to try that. So the whole purpose of this purchase was to buy some yarns that I was unfamiliar with. if there's nothing I didn't, if there's, I don't know how to say this. I started wrong twice. Okay. What I'm trying to say is I learned something from the TL Yarn Crafts yarn. There's a world of yarn out there, and I haven't touched or felt it all, and I haven't tried to work with it. So I am going to be steadily buying things I am unfamiliar with so that I can check them out. And this is really pretty. This has, what color? So it's gray and kind of orange in the middle. And then it goes to, but like marigold, Then it goes from marigold and the gray, the gray falls out and the orange takes over. So it goes kind of a marigold and orange, and then it goes to deeper orange, whatever color that is, into red. And then from red into this more sort of brown, but more like burnt sienna kind of color at the outside. So it's really quite beautiful. It has a center pull, which I like about the Hobbii yarns, or a lot of the European yarns seem to have that if they're in this style. And I love the alpaca. Can you see the cute alpaca picture? Oh my gosh, my light is just blowing out the screen here. There it is, mama and baby alpaca. It's very soft. It is, but it feels like animal wool, right? I mean, it has a little feel of animal, and it is, I don't really smell anything. Nothing. Anyway, I'm excited though. I think a shawl, I think. This has made in Turkey, dye lot 922. That's not telling me anything. Oh, it's 80% acrylic, 20% alpaca. It's a lightweight number 3, 8.8 ounces, 250 grams, 1,028 yards, 940 meters. So, yes, I think I can make a wrap out of that. And it does have a QR code on it. I'm not sure what would happen if I looked at that. Maybe I will check that out, but it might be the same information as what I'm looking at. I think that's all the information on here. I'm really excited though. Beautiful colorways for fall. See, I'm getting project yarn to work ahead a bit. I don't like not having content for you guys, so I'm going to try harder to get projects lined up and working before the seasons arrive. So we'll see how that works out. Because I have things for spring that I intended to make and didn't have time to. And so now they're going to have to wait till next year because spring is here and I need to start working on summer. So, yeah. Okay, so this next one is called Glitter Delight. This is a chunky 5, and it is a Hobbii yarn made in Turkey, produced for Hobbii. Yep. And what does it say? Does it say anything? 50% acrylic, 49% cotton, 1% polyester, 100 grams, 105 meters, 3.5 ounces, 114 yards. Work with a 7 millimeter USK crochet hook. And it also has a QR code we could take a picture of, and it has washing instructions that I can't really read because I don't know what the symbols mean. Okay, I'm gonna have to learn. I do not know what those symbols mean. So I got 3 of these. I figured that was enough to make something, a cotton acrylic something. They have some glitter in it. And let's find the glitter. Can we find the glitter? There, on the hanging strings, you can see there is glitter wrapped around. And then we've got green, blue, kind of an ivory. There's some pink, there's some orange, there's some yellow. Okay, so I did it again. My touchpad is right there, and I keep putting things on it. And lo and behold, the film stops. Shocking, I know. I need to start working with my phone more, which I'm going to be doing after I get my phone holder. And anyway, I was going through the colors, but we got a nice rainbow in there. I'm excited to see how this works up, and I will probably do a little stitch yarn review on this one. Cool. So there's that, and let's see. So the name of the Wheel of Alpaca is Wheel of Alpaca. The name of this is Glitter Delight, which is the name of the brand. So we have no color name, it looks like. So there we go. Now, I bought all these on sale because I don't like paying full price for anything. And I got free shipping because they were having a special, which is how I ended up shopping with them. The free shipping and sale items, I feel like I got a good deal, you know, so, and I get to try. I got 8 skeins of cookie, 1 wheel of alpaca, and 3 of these, and I'm pretty pleased with that haul. So anyway, Hobbii has some interesting yarns. I did buy some Hobbii Black Friday yarn that I loved. And I still have some in my stash, but gosh, I wish I'd bought more colors. So next year, you can pretty much count on me buying the Black Friday yarn from Hobbii to stock up on acrylic colors because it's really nice to work with. I made my mom a blanket. It just flows through my hook, and I really enjoyed working with it. It was a nice acrylic, and I got a killer price on it. So then, prior to that, I bought some mystery bags from Hobbii, and I ended up with Cotton Kings in the cake, and it's like a 3-weight, and I have lots of them, like 8 of them, or 8, I think. Maybe 7, because I think I used 1 for something. But honestly, not in love with it. So guess I'm gonna have to either pair it with something or maybe sell them, or I don't know what. As is, I don't think I'm ever gonna make anything out of them. And their colors like blue and deep yellow, which was my high school colors, which not into. And then I have black and yellow, and I have black and gray, which, you know, black and gray, not really my thing. I'm more into color. So, yeah, until I either pair them with something or I don't know what the answer is, but I don't love those things, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those cakes. So, anyway, that is my thoughts on Hobbii for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is things we're making Thursday, so you can guess what I'll be working like a crazy person on this evening after I get off work. So, have a wonderful day. I'm going to go check out my cookies.